Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Thilo. In this advanced tutorial, we will have a look how we can modify and configure the radar RDM requests in case radar won't find connected RDM devices or the devices doesn't react correctly to the RDM requests. These options don't need to be changed if the devices are found, the parameters can be retrieved and adjusted. Please note, as soon as you will need to activate one of these interoperability options, the devices deviates from the official RDM standard and you should contact the manufacturer of this RDM device. As task, we have only 4 RDM devices connected. The hardware connection is correct and RDM is enabled, but we can't modify the settings like device label. After an external analysis, we figured out the text needs to be filled with null characters up to the maximum length. This is not standard and we have to enable this inside of radar. Now let us start. According to the task, we want to change the device label. At the moment, the radar software is set to the default settings. That means no interoperability option is enabled. Let us change the device label to stage plus an ascending number. Therefore, we select all of them and I press Ctrl and A at my keyboard. Now, perform a right click at the device label and select Edit. First of all, we type in stage. Enter. Now, radar tries to set the device label to stage. As you can see, it was ignored, and we will also see after the next scan what happens with the device label now. As you can see, there are a lot of unwanted symbols behind the device label stage. To prevent this, we have to open the options. Therefore, we navigate to Preferences, Options. Now we activate the Interoperability tab and we set up pad RDM text fields with null characters up to the maximum string length. Now we click OK. And now we can change the device label again. Therefore, we select all via Ctrl A, perform a right click, edit, and we type in stage first. And now the device label is changed to stage. It will still ignore to set the device label because the fixture gives not the response that it was set, but again, after a short while, the label will be changed. This is not a radar specific thing that you can't see the change of the device label immediately. This has something to do with the RDM device, which is not responding according to the RDM standard. But now we can see everything will be changed to stage because of the interoperability mode was enabled. And according to the task, we want to have an ascending number at the device label. And therefore, we select again everything from top to the bottom. So we select the first one, press and hold down the Shift key and select the last one, perform a right click again, and now we select Toggle Automatic Numbering. We want to start at number 1 and OK. And now you can see the device label will be added. That means the first selected fixture or device will get the 1, second one the 2, and so on. We have to wait a little bit since the fixtures do not respond according to the RDM standard. But now everything was solved for this task. That's it for now. I hope we see us in the next tutorial.